Welcome visionary entrepreneurs and creative thinkers. Today, we're tackling an essential aspect of your startup's journey to success, the do's and don'ts of pitch deck design. In the competitive arena of startups, the design of your pitch deck can significantly influence the impression you leave on potential investors. It's not just about having great content. How you present that content visually can make all the difference. Let's explore some key guidelines to ensure your pitch deck not only captures attention, but also communicates your message effectively. Firstly, do's. Let's focus on simplicity. Keep your design clear and straightforward. Your goal is to convey complex ideas in an easily digestible format, so avoid cluttering your slides with too much text or too many visuals. Use high-quality images that resonate with your message. Opting for professional and high-resolution images can significantly enhance the visual appeal and professionalism of your deck. Consistency is key. Ensure your pitch deck is an extension of your brand by using consistent colors, fonts, and logos throughout. This not only looks professional, but also aids in building brand recognition. Tell a story with your deck. Structure your content to take the audience on a journey, highlighting your startup's mission, challenges, and vision. Storytelling engages your audience and makes your message more memorable. Lastly, embrace data visualization. Charts and infographics can transform complex data into visually appealing and understandable content, making your key metrics and statistics stand out. Now, about don'ts or what you should avoid. Don't overload your slides with text. Keep your points concise and let your verbal presentation do the heavy lifting. Avoid inconsistent design elements. A disjointed look can distract from your message. Stick to a cohesive design theme throughout your deck. Don't underestimate whitespace. Whitespace can make your content more readable and visually appealing, so don't feel the need to fill every inch of your slides. Don't forget the call to action. Clearly articulate what you're asking from your audience, whether it's investment, partnership, or another form of support. And never overlook proofreading. Typos and grammatical errors can significantly undermine your credibility, so double-check your content. Remember, the design of your pitch deck is a vital tool in your communication arsenal. By following these do's and don'ts, you can create a pitch deck that not only looks professional, but also compellingly conveys the value and vision of your startup. I'm eager to hear from you now. How have you approached the design of your pitch deck, and what impact has it had on your presentations? Share your experiences and let's learn from each other's creative journeys.